Hello there. The first thing you want to do is to make a copy of this. You want to go to File and click Make a Copy. That way, if anything goes wrong, you have a backup. And also so that you can reuse it over and over. So we have the torn paper element, which you can't really change unless you want to rotate it or make it wider or more slender. That's up to you. But you can just leave it alone so that it does not change. Now we can click on the background and change this color here. I'm gonna move it over to a red. And here, I believe I want to make it white. Now, as you can see, I forgot to do it the first time, but I can change all of the grays to this white color, which I'm going to do to save some time. And let's see if I can try to get this back. Let's see. Ooh, I selected the wrong thing, sorry. I want to click the background. There we go. Okay, so I'm not able to change it because I was supposed to do it in the beginning, but that's okay. I'm gonna change it on one of the other templates. So I'm gonna keep this the way that it is. I can click on it all to change the text. Let's just say I want to put my name. There we go. My name. And then I'm going to go ahead and swap out the photo. I'm going to drag it and drop it over. And there we go. Now I want to change this here to the red color once again. And so I'm going to change all of those into the red, save some time. I'm going to leave the background here because it is marble, and if you change it, you will lose it. Now I'm going to swap out the photo. There we go. If I want to change the text, I could do that. And I could also change the font by searching for one or going with one of the different categories that Canva provides. I'm going to change this green font here to red, and I'm going to do that to all so that I can save some more time. Then I'm going to go ahead, drag and drop, change the photo. Once again, I'm going to change the green to a red. I'm going to change it all. That's what I should have done in the beginning, but I missed the opportunity. But here we go. We're going to change all. Once again, it's a marble background, so you want to keep that there unless you want a different background. And I'm going to swap out this photo here by dragging and dropping. Now this text here, you can also change, and you can change the transparency as well. So that is up to you. Moving further down, I'm going to keep this color here, but I'm going to change this to the red. And once again, I'm going to change all because I don't want any green. Then I'm going to change the photo by dragging and dropping. That's a really nice photo, actually. Okay. I'm going to change the font color to red. And I guess it's technically not a red color, but we're just going to go with it. And as you can see, there is marble / paper in the background. So you can change it if you'd like to, but if not, you can keep it that way. I'm going to change this font as well. And then I'm going to make the background more transparent so that we can see the text since I've changed the color. So these are all the options that are available to you. There are even more options. I'm just going through with what's easier for you now. So this background was a different color. Just so that it's not white on white, I'm going to switch that up. And there you have it. Now I know I did change all for some of the text, but I'm going to go back and make this white so that we can actually see it. Let's play around with this. Yeah, white works as well. So we're just going to swap out the colors really quickly, and then we'll be good to go. And there you have it. So in order to download, you click download. You can select all or select the specific pages that you would like. Hit done and download. And let's take a quick look at the original versus what we've created. So as you can see, this is the original, and then this is what we've changed it to. That's how easy it is.